Got an eBay gift card and ready to use it? Here's how to redeem your eBay gift card step by step on eBay. Let's get started. First of all, head over to ebay.com and sign into your account to apply your gift card. Hover over My eBay and go to Summary. From here, click on the Account tab and then select Gift Cards. It's way over the bottom. Click on Add Gift Card. The box will appear where you can enter your card details. Type in the 13-digit code found on your physical or digital gift card, then click Apply. Once added, your gift card balance will be saved to your account and used automatically on your next eligible purchase at checkout. And that's it. Your eBay gift card is now ready to use. Hit the like button and stay tuned for more quick and easy eBay tutorials.